Hello friends, welcome back to Node.js tutorial. In this video we are going to discuss about the function expression, or we'll discuss about some new concept in Node.js, and we'll discuss about the arrow functions, which is very new things in the functions expressions topics, right? So basically, what is function expression? Function expression allows us to create an anonymous function which does not have function name. Suppose in a simple way, if I just want to create any function, suppose function sum, and in this way we just create any sum and we can return something, right? So write return x plus y and take x plus y from the argument. So in that time, this is the function name, and we can create a function with the function keyword, and after that name, and after that the parameter. But here we can create an anonymous function which does not have any function name, which is the main difference between the functions expression and function declaration. So basically this is the declaration of the function, but in the function expression we will do something different. Suppose if I just create a function, suppose let's close this, so let's use var and my function, and after that just create a function. So function have no name, just use the function, and from there I just want to return something, suppose hello from function, right? And now if I just go into the terminal and if I want to run this, so suppose write node index.js, right? And here we can see no output. Why? Because we have not consoling anything, so right? So simply write console log and just call the variable. So my variable is my function, okay? But here we are using the function keyword, so we need to use these things so that this variable will treat as a function. So simply just go here again and node index.js, run the JS file from the node, write node index.js and enter hello from functions, right? Actually this is the anonymous function and we have no name for this function, right? So let's take another example. Suppose I want to create a calculation, so last time which I have already removed, so I want to create these things. Suppose I am creating a function, suppose var sum, and I want to pass some variable to the function. So how we can do this? So simply write function and inside here just return x plus y. So from where x y will come? It will come from xy. Now the question is how to call this function or how to pass the parameter. So simply write console.log, and here we will use the sum as a function, and we want two parameter to pass, so write 10 20, right? And simply just go here and run again, so it will become the output, that is 30. So perfectly it's working just like a normal function. And another things, if I want to call this function from another functions, how we can do this? Simply just create another variable, suppose calculate, right? And let's create a function, so in this way, and I want to pass a parameter. So basically in the parameter we'll call the sum, right? So simply just to return the sum, or sorry, return the parameter, right? And now we'll call the calculate. So simply just console.log, and we to call the calculate, and actually this is the function, so in this way, and we to pass the parameter. So what is the parameter? Actually we want to pass the parameter sum, and sum also functions, and it will accept two variables. Suppose I am passing 5 6, right? And simply just go here again and let's run this, so it will print the 30 and 11. So why 30? The 30 is from here and y11, 11 is coming from here. So individually we can run step by step, right? So the new thing is arrow functions. So what is arrow functions and how to declare and how to do all the things with arrow function? So here we are getting more advanced JavaScript things, right? So I am closing for now and I want to concentrate on the first example, which is the sum example, right? So we are getting the sum by using from here and we are passing x and y. The thing is here we don't even need to write the function also. So just remove this and here simply just use the arrow, right? So instead of function we are just writing the arrow. So if I just run the same things again, we are getting the same output, right? This is 30. So it is absolutely working and working perfectly, right? So this is basically the arrow functions. In the same way, if I just remove from here and want to access these things, how can I do this? Simply if I just remove this console from here and let's run this program again, we will get the output that is 11. So we can call from this also. And now if I just want to transform this function into the arrow function, simply write in this way, right? So how easy you can understand. So simply just refresh this, we are getting the same output, right? So this is basically the function expression, and in the Node.js we will learn all in detail in our upcoming video. So basically this is the concept how we can use the function expression and what are the features, and the new thing is what is arrow functions. Though if you already see my ECMAScript tutorial series, you will understand this arrow functions concept, but again I will continue these things for the new user. So hope you will like this video and I will recommend you please see the full tutorial series from the beginning so you will get more knowledge from the beginning, right? So next day we are going to discuss about the modular concept inside the Node.js. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video and do share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.